Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord while this is an awkward crash in 2023. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And here on the Task Manager tab, what you need to do is to go to Details, find Discord. Then what you need to do is to right-click on it and click End Process Tree. Okay, so if open programs or processes are associated with this process tree, they will close and you will lose any unsaved data. If you end a system process, it might result in system instability. And just go ahead and click on End Process Tree. And once you've done that, what you need to do is to try launching the Discord again. Okay, and that should fix the problem. But if the issue persists, don't worry because you still have a few steps that you can do to fix it. So if once you've launched the Discord and it doesn't still working, or it's still crashing, what you need to do is again go to Task Manager and repeat the process. Okay, so find the Discord right here and end the process tree, right? And now once you've done that, just go ahead and press the Windows key on your keyboard and the R. Okay, and now right here, search for temp, click on OK, and then now select all of these files and delete it. Okay, so just go ahead and wait. Because these files are temporary files. Okay, so just go ahead and delete all of these files. So let's just wait for it. And once you find or see this kind of pop up, just go ahead and check this and click on skip. Okay, and now exit on this one. And again, open the Run tab by pressing the Windows key and the R key. Then here, search for local app. Sorry, let's just go ahead and first with app data. So again, in the Run tab, type %app data % and click on OK. Then once you are here, what you need to do is to find Discord right here. Right click on it and click on delete. Okay, so once you've deleted Discord, open again the Run tab. But now what you need to type is 2% local app data %. Now click on OK. Then again, find Discord right here. Right click on it and click on delete. Right? So after you've deleted Discord, what you need to do is to refresh it. And now you need to open a browser. Okay? Because you just deleted your Discord. So obviously you need to install it back. So search for Discord download. Now click on the download button in order to download again the Discord on your device. Okay? So once you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix Discord while this is awkward crash error in 2023. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!